Hi everybody, I'm Andrea from Chuk, and I wanted to tell you a special heartfelt thank you so much for the generous donation that you made so that we can give Bibles to the people of Chuk Micronesia. For each gift of $7, we were able to give a Chukese person a copy of the New Testament in their own language, Ewe Testament Sefer Lanposen Chuk. So now they can read God's Word in their own language and understand every word. What a wonderful blessing and gift that is, and you have a part in it. Here are a few pictures of the believers that are holding a copy of the New Testament in their own language thanks to your generous donation. God bless you.